Hey guys, welcome back to Cogito Math with Ben. Today we are talking about a real number, and our first example is about APR, which is 11. The formula of APR is the number of months, which is 12 in a year, multiplied by the rate. And we know that APR is 11 equal to for 12 R. So R, the rate will be 11 over 12, which I believe is equal to 0.9167. The rate in this case is equal to 0.9167. That's number one. Number two, we have 8 minus negative 4 square minus negative 12. So we're just gonna be working with these first because that's the priority. We have 8 minus negative 4 square is 16 plus this sign cancel, minus 12 will give us 12. So we have 8 plus 12, that's 20, minus 16, that gave us 4. The final answer equal 4. Our third example is 2 factor of negative 3 plus 3 divide by negative 2 minus 2 divide by negative square root of 16, and everything over square root of 64 minus 1. So we know the bottom square root of 64 is 8, and 8 minus 1, we have that. And on the top, we're just going to be working with whatever is the fraction. We have here, and let's just put 2 multiplied by negative 3, and we have over here 3 over negative 2, and we have square root of 16, which is negative 16 is 4, and we have negative 4 here, we have negative 2 here. So we have we can simplify this easily. It gives us 1 over 2. So we have 1 over 2, and these we can just make sure that we have everything together. Let's have a common factor here, which is 2 here, 2 here, and this we can multiply that by the 2 to have the common factor. So we have 2 here. So we have 2 times 3, negative 3 is negative 6 times the 2 that we are bringing here. So they all have the common factor. That's negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. We already have 2 here, so we have minus 3. And we already have 2 here, which is plus 1. And we have on the bottom 7. So we have negative 15 minus 1, that gives us negative 14, and over 2 and 7. So that's, if we simplify it, we have negative 7 over 7, and the final answer is negative 1. Number 4, we are asked to graph minus 2 to the infinite. So the normal graph have look like this, and let's say put 0 here, 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2. So we have a minus 2 to the infinite, so it will be minus 2, kind of open, to the infinite. So this will be our solution. That's the solution, easy as that. So we have number 5. which asks us to fill in the blank. We have 3, absolute value of 3 minus 5, and this is where we have to fill the blank of absolute value of 3 minus 5, absolute value of 5. So we know here that we have absolute value of negative 2, and then we have to fill these, and it gives us absolute value of it give us this is minus 2. So we have here absolute value of 2 will give us 2, and what 2? Negative 2. So we know 2 is bigger than negative 2, and the sign will be greater than 2. That's our final answer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in the next video.